We have it on the cheeks. Oh my goodness. Okay. Hey, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So today we are gonna try 2 items that I picked up at the Dollar Tree to see if they're worth it or not. So the first item that we are gonna try, the Maybelline New York Precise ink, is in the color Violet Nova in color 540. So the first one that we're gonna use is the Maybelline Color Metallic. Now, I did get this at the Dollar Tree and they don't always have Maybelline, but when they do, I always pick it up. So this is what it looks like on the inside. It definitely looks violet. I always like to use the metallics from the dollar store right under my eye. So let's go ahead and try this on. Okay, so I put a little under my eyes. I don't even know if you can tell a difference. It doesn't, it's okay. For $1, I'm not mad at it. Let me go ahead and swatch it for you. This is what it looks like. It's okay. I guess on my skin tone, it doesn't really show up as much. It's metallic, it feels great. I mean, the packaging feels really, you know, worth it, more than $1. I don't know, I thought it'd be more metallic-y. So it didn't work for me, but I still think this one is a good product, just depending on maybe how you do your makeup and maybe your skin tone. It didn't really show up that well on mine. Again, for $1, I'm not mad at it. Okay, so next we're gonna try the Hard Candy Look Pro Ultimate Contour and Sculpt Kit. So this is what it looks like on the inside. Look at that. It even comes with a brush, and this is all for $1. So when you open it up, the inside has 1 prep, 2 brighten, 3 contour, 4 blend, and 5 illuminate. And on the back, it even shows you, look at it, shows you, it kind of gives you an instruction on how to use it, which is really cute. This is the brush. Look at that. It have both sides. So this brush feels really good. It actually feels really like durable. Like, if anything, I think the brush is probably, if this doesn't work, the brush works really well. Okay, these 3 on the top are creams, and then the 2 bottom ones are powders. Let's see. So now that we've wiped off all the prep off of the brush as best as we can, we're gonna go on to step 2. We have it on the we have it on the cheeks. Oh my goodness. Okay. And now we're going to go on to step 3. That doesn't show. Oh my goodness. No, 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 no. I do not like this at all. This is horrible. Oh no. It does nothing. I don't like it. And then it says for 4, blend into the cheeks and the hairline. Oh, okay. Okay. So it looks like this clay that I kind of put all over my face kind of acts like a putty in a way, or like a, because it's holding on to the powder. See? And now to illuminate, step 5. Okay, so are you ready for the final result? So this is it. It's way too light for my skin tone, but I am pretty shocked. So I probably wouldn't have put so much where it said to contour. I probably would have used it in certain areas, but that cream and then the powder on top, it looks really matte. Like my skin looks really matte. I don't hate it. I hated it in the beginning, like applying it, but I think it looks okay. Okay, so final verdict. I think both of these are winners. I think they're worth it for $1 to pick it up and try them out. I was really surprised with how they each came out, and I think it's worth it. So if you tried them, let me know down in the comments, and thanks for watching. I'll catch you on the next one. Bye.